Hello? Sarah? Is that you? Hi, Emma. Yes, it's me. What's up? Nothing much. I'm just at home, feeling kind of bored. What are you doing? Same here. I'm at home too. I was scrolling on my phone and watching TV. Yeah, weekends can be boring if we stay at home all day. Totally. Do you have anything in mind? Actually, I was thinking, do you want to go out? That sounds nice. Where do you want to go? How about the park first? The weather is really nice today. That's a great idea. I love going to the park when it's sunny. We could walk around, talk, and maybe take some photos. Sure. I haven't been outside much this week. After that, we can go shopping. I need to buy some clothes. Shopping? Now you're really convincing me. And finally, we can go to a cafe and relax. That sounds like a perfect plan. Great! Are you free now? Yes, I am. What time should we meet? How about in 30 minutes? That works for me.
Let's meet at the park entrance.
Okay, I'll get ready now. Me too. Don't forget your phone and some water. I won't. See you soon. See you later. Bye. Bye. Hey, Sarah. Over here. Hi, Emma. You look great today. Thanks, man. Thanks. So, Paula. Yes. You look really nice too. The weather is perfect, isn't it? Yes, it's warm but not too hot. I love the fresh air here. Me too. Let's take a walk. There are so many people today. At sabi mi has to go just for a minutes. Yeah, I think a lot of people came to enjoy the weekend. Look at those kids playing. They look so happy. Do you come to the park often? Not really. I usually stay at home because I'm busy. Same. We should come here more often. Definitely. So, how has your week been? It was busy. I had a lot of homework. I know that feeling. What about you? I had some tests, but they weren't too bad. Do you want to take some photos? You up? Sure. Let's take a selfie. This one looks great. Let me see. Yeah, it's nice. We should post it later. Good idea. Are you hungry? A little. A little. But we can eat later. Okay. Ready to go shopping? Yes, let's go. Wow, this place is crowded. Yeah, it's always like this on weekends. Which store do you want to go to first? Let's check that clothing store.
All right.
I like this jacket. I like this jacket. It looks good on you. Try it on.
Okay. Okay.
Wow, it fits you perfectly. Really? I'm not sure. Trust me, it looks great. All right, I'll buy it. It's on sale. Not too expensive. Not too expensive. That's good. Wait, what's that? Do you want to buy anything? Let's look over there. I like these sneakers. I like these sneakers. They're cute and comfortable. They feel nice. So ring you tell. And you know, then you should get them. Okay, I will. I'm tired. Me too. Shop. Exhausting. Let's go to a cafe. Yes, I need some coffee.
Hello. What would you like to order?
I'd like an iced coffee, please.
Oh.
I'll have a hot latte. Anything else?
Maybe a slice of cake. Oh.
I'll have the same.
So,
All right. Please wait a moment. This place is really cozy.
Yes, I like the atmosphere.
Okay. I'm glad we came out today. Me too. It's much better than staying at home. We should do this more often. We should do this more often.
Definitely.
This coffee smells so good.
Mine too. Cheers. Cheers.
So, what are your plans for next week? I'll be busy with school, but maybe we can hang out again. Sure. Just let me know. Thanks for inviting me today.
Thank you for coming.
I had a great time. Me too.